Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start this lesson, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps millions of English learners become confident speakers. Thank you so much. Today's lesson is one of the most important you will ever hear about learning English, because I'm going to show you why. Studying more is not the solution, and why speaking more is the only method that truly works. Let's get started. The big myth: study more to speak better. Most learners believe this idea. If I study more grammar, if I memorize more words, if I watch more lessons, if I read more explanations, I'll finally become fluent. It sounds logical, but it's completely wrong. Studying and speaking are two different skills. Studying helps you understand English. Speaking helps you use English. Understanding does not create fluency. Only speaking does. This is the biggest misunderstanding in language learning. Why studying doesn't make you fluent. Here's the truth. You can know every rule, every tense, every phrasal verb, every exception, and still freeze. When someone asks, "So, how was your day?" Why? Because studying builds knowledge, but fluency is a reflex. Fluency is the ability to speak automatically, without planning, and without translating. A reflex is not created by studying. A reflex is created by speaking. You can't think your way into fluency. You can only talk your way into fluency. Think about a real skill. Imagine learning swimming, riding a bike, driving a car, playing piano, dancing, cooking. Would you become good just by watching videos? Number. You need real practice. English is the same. You become fluent by practicing the skill, not studying the theory. The real method: input plus output. If you want to speak English fluently, you need two simple things. 1. High-quality input. Listening plus reading. This feeds your brain. This gives you patterns. This gives you vocabulary. This gives you rhythm. 2. Daily output. Speaking. This activates the patterns. This builds confidence. This creates fluency. This trains your mouth. Most learners do only input and zero output. That's why progress is slow. What happens when you start speaking more? After only 7 days of speaking daily, your sentences become faster. You hesitate less. You think more in English. You stop translating. Your mouth adapts. Your fear decreases. Your confidence grows. After 30 days, your flow improves. You sound more natural. Your rhythm becomes better. You start using real expressions. You understand natives faster. You feel comfortable speaking. Speaking creates fluency in a way that studying never will. How to practice speaking every day, even alone. Here are simple, realistic methods. You can start today. 1. Speak alone for 2 minutes a day. Talk about your day, your thoughts, anything. Record yourself. 2. Shadow native speakers. Repeat with the audio in real time. 3. Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking. I'm cleaning. I'm getting ready. 4. Tell short stories. What happened yesterday? What happened this morning? 5. Speak to the camera. Pretend you're teaching. 6. Repeat real conversations. Copy phrases from movies or YouTube. 7. Use English for simple decisions. What should I eat? What should I do next? Speaking alone is not weird. It's training, and it's extremely effective. Why learners avoid speaking. 3 reasons. Reason 1, fear of mistakes. But mistakes are how you learn. Reason 2, waiting to be ready. You will never feel ready. You become ready by speaking. Reason 3, no opportunity. You don't need a partner. You just need your voice. Speaking is free, anytime, anywhere, with yourself. This is the real secret. The formula that actually works. If you want fast results, follow this formula for 30 days. 1. Listen 10 minutes. YouTube, podcasts, movies. 2. Shadow 5 minutes. Copy the audio in real time. 3. Speak 2 minutes. Talk about anything. Total 17 minutes per day. This method works 10 times faster than studying for 3 hours. Because it's the method that creates automatic speaking. The light bulb moment. One day, not immediately, but sooner than you think, your brain will suddenly switch. You will start thinking in English. Words will come faster. Sentences will connect. Mistakes won't scare you. Speaking will feel natural. This moment is real. It happens to every learner who stops studying and starts speaking. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this community grow and helps millions of learners finally speak English with confidence. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.